Hello and welcome to this video, where we will talk about the new operating system from Microsoft, Windows 11. When Microsoft released Windows 10 in 2015, he stated that it would be the final version of Windows. So, in essence, all new functionality will be gained through Windows updates. It was a headache, and many people disliked them for good reason. They destroy systems, delete data, and sometimes just appear at the wrong moment when you are in the middle of something. Microsoft eventually improved them, although there were still some issues. But, no matter how irritating the updates are, they are required, and it is critical to keep your system up to date. Then, in the middle of the year, there came word that a new version of Windows 11 was on the way. And now he's here. On October 5th, the official release date was announced. What is new in Windows 11? If there's one thing in Windows 11 that sticks out, it's this. The Start menu and taskbar are now centered at the bottom of the screen, rather than being positioned to the left by default. Yes, the single most significant visual and interface difference will be evident on the first day. Sure, there's a lot more going on behind the surface, but this UI change feels like it's more to let you know that something new and different is happening. There's a lot going on with Windows 11. If you're a casual or mainstream user, you're unlikely to notice much of a difference, but there are a few key enhancements worth highlighting. New features. Let's see what the new features of Windows 11 are except for the Start menu and taskbar. New context menu, rounded corners. The context menu finally looks modern and follows the whole Windows 11 round corner aesthetics, which look nice. Now, rounded corners are everywhere. Some would say that this, together with the centralization of the Start menu, remains on Apple Mac OS X. But it looks nice and Microsoft should proceed in that direction. New Action Center. The Action Center in Windows 11 differs significantly from the Action Center in Windows 10. It uses a new panels style in which your alerts and controls are organized into groups, with notifications appearing above the Quick Settings panel. The Action Center is now resizable and flexible, and it still has a Clear All button in the upper right corner. The overall operation of the Windows 11 Action Center stays the same, but the Quick Settings panel is now more customizable. New File Explorer. There are no tabs in the new File Explorer, but there are many other improvements, such as a new modern interface, icons, a revamped context menu, and many more adjustments. The UI in this new version has rounded edges and a foundation layer that uses the mica material, which allows the backdrop shine through the app without affecting performance or battery life and goes back to a solid color when the program is not in focus. The menu and title bar have now been merged into a single header interface. Android apps are now supported in Windows 11. Installing apps is a simple procedure. Because Microsoft has partnered with Amazon, the Microsoft Store will list applications but will link you to the Amazon App Store app to install or update them. This also installs a Windows subsystem for Android in the background, which is the core technology that allows Android apps to operate on Windows 11. Apps run in a virtual machine, where they are separated within their own environment but may coexist with other Windows apps. Android applications may be pinned to the Start menu or taskbar and use all of Windows 11's windowing and multitasking features, just like any other desktop software. Snap Layouts, a new feature in Windows 11, allows you to combine programs and windows together to better manage them. It's similar to how you can group applications on Android and iOS, or how you can use split screen. Assume you're planning something and have a number of applications or web pages open that are all connected to your search. With Snap Layouts, you can keep all of the information on your screen neatly arranged. To utilize it, hover your cursor over a Windows Maximize button, pick a layout, then click on a zone in that layout to snap that window into place. Choosing additional windows individually places them in different zones in that layout. For example, you might group open windows together. Windows 11 also has the new Microsoft Store, Universal Media Control, the redesigned Settings app, quicker Windows updates, widgets for Windows 11, integration of Teams Chat, the new Your Phone app, new MS Paint, Photos, MS Office, Media Player, Focus Sessions, typing by voice, advanced gesture controls, a new minimalist lock screen, new wallpaper sounds, snappy animations, improvements to the touch keyboard, auto HDR and dynamic refresh rate, syncing the clipboard, screen time and battery usage, ARM emulation. Should you upgrade? Overall, the new Windows 11 is a great operating system with many visual and performance enhancements, and if you have new hardware, and you like to be on the edge with new software, then you should definitely go and upgrade. But it is also worth mentioning that at the moment of creating this video, Windows 11 has problems with AMD chips, and computers with AMD processors have slowdowns and poor performance compared to computers with Intel processors. As a result, it is safer to wait a little longer, as with all Windows, until the majority of bugs are fixed. Please subscribe, it's free and helps us keep providing new content. What are your thoughts on Microsoft's latest operating system, Windows 11? Do you think the new design and features are appealing? Please share your thoughts in the comments.